Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows Insider preview video, and this is the first Windows 11 Insider preview video that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to take you through what's on the blog, and then what I'm going to do is obviously split up videos into smaller ones so that I don't drag out a video too long. So to get started, Windows 11 Insider Preview was released during this week or last week, and I have upgraded my Surface Pro 4, which it's a couple of years old, but it accepted the Insider Preview. The older machines that I have, it just tells you straight you cannot upgrade because you don't meet the hardware requirements, and that's obviously the TPM chip. That is one of the main features that needs to be on the machine. Obviously 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of space, etc. So this one, I've encountered a few bugs, and not to lie to you that I've had to reboot once or twice, but obviously that comes with running preview builds because obviously it's new. There will be some bugs, they will fix them, etc. And then obviously as they release new ones, anything that's provided on the feedback hub, they can tell them they can fix it. Probably not in the next release, but in the upcoming releases. So if you head over to the Windows Insider blog, you can see that I'm in the dev channel, so I'm running this build here. Now obviously I don't have the watermark on the desktop like with Windows 10. So first things first, we can look at the start menu, or the way the icons are displayed. Now you'll notice that mine is sitting on the left compared to the middle. Obviously I've changed it. You can change it as well. I'll show you in one of the upcoming videos how to switch from the middle to the left. And obviously the icons at the bottom here are also not carried over to all your screens. If you're like myself and run multiple screens, then it's something that you like because you can see what's open everywhere. But I'll show you at the bottom of this, it's still coming. There's a lot of new things: the start, the taskbar, the notification sent at the bottom here, and I'll take you through it. There's a lot of changes. It looks very crisp, very clean. The icons are new. It looks like something that's, like 3D or out of this world kind of thing. The widgets, I know that a lot of people have been complaining on Windows 10 that they've got this sun or this whatever icon here that brings up the news and they didn't like it, etc. But you can turn it off. You can see I'm not running it here. I will demonstrate how to do the multitasking as well in upcoming videos. There's a new Microsoft Store. I haven't tried it out yet, but this build's been running on my machine for the last 3 days, so far it's been good. So I'm guessing that all the updates in here I've already downloaded and installed. The dock, I'm running obviously the Surface Pro 4, so I do have the dock and everything connected, and so far no issues at all. The on-screen keyboard, you can see it's a lot more stylish. With all the windows you'll notice that there's a rounded edge on here. As I said, it looks very crisp, very clean. You can go read through this blog. I'm not going to go through everything. I rather cover them in individual videos to show you each and everything. The settings, definitely a big change or improvement to settings. I can tell you that Windows Update, it's the fastest I've installed a Insider Preview build. In 30 minutes, download, install, upgrade, done. That's how quick this is. Now obviously they've made big improvements in that, and I've given my feedback to say, well done for that. I mean, who wants to sit here for 3 or 4 hours wanting to update Windows and if it gets stuck? So luckily no blue screen or green screen. I don't know what's in Windows 11 yet, so I can't tell you of anything, but I can tell you that I haven't had any of those kind of things yet. If we go look at the Wi-Fi support, you can see that 6E is now obviously supported in this build and will be going forward. I'm running on a LAN cable, as you can see, so I'm not on the Wi-Fi yet to test it. I'm running Office 2019 in this build. It runs pretty quick. The updates took a little while on Windows 11 and Office 2019, but everything else just works. I haven't had any issues. And then obviously you can see, because it's a new build, there's not going to be any changes or improvements yet. Obviously the stuff is still coming. Now, as I mentioned earlier on, the known issues with this is that your icons here are not obviously rendered across all your screens. And the nice thing is that you can actually turn off or turn on how you want this piece to show across other screens, which I'll demonstrate later. You can see there's a number of obviously issues and stuff that they are going to be working on. I can't show you the Android app support yet because it's not released yet. It's not working on this build, but it's coming in the coming weeks. The widgets, the nice thing with the widgets is you can turn them on or off. You don't have to have them on at the bottom here if you don't want to. So that's pretty much Windows 11 inside in a nutshell. I do want to just show you what the settings looks like, and you can see that it looks clean. Everything has been well organized, and each and every single section here you can go in and change something. Now the Windows Update section here obviously prompts you that you need to update, or there's a update, and like I say, it's very, very quick. So look out for the upcoming videos where I'll be touching on each of the things. Some of the things are like, if you right click on the taskbar, on the start menu, you'll see that you have Windows Terminal and Terminal's admin, which is PowerShell. You can see it looks a lot cleaner with the rounded features. If you click on the normal start menu, you can see how it looks. You got a little button here where you can obviously go through the start menu, and then obviously if you type in something that's, for example, PowerShell or power, you see how quick it actually launches everything that's got the word power in it. There's PowerShell, there's Power Automate. I'm running PowerShell 7 preview, you can see here. So lots of changes, lots of new things, and after this video we'll get into all of the individual items. I'm going to make smaller videos for you so that you can obviously look at each and everything instead of having to watch an entire hour video. So thank you very much for watching. This is Windows Insider 11, the first one, and I will obviously be doing more videos as the next builds come out with their new features and their changes. So thank you very much for watching.